2 days ago, I posted a video highlighting the 3 tips to maximize your earnings on Doordash. And in that video, I discussed 3 methods to earn hundreds more per month on Doordash. And one of the most important reasons or tips was to decline all the bad orders. Now you might be thinking, by declining orders, won't that take down my earnings? I explained all that in my previous video, so I'll link it right there. But we're going to be talking about acceptance rate. So if you decline all the bad orders, won't that bring down your acceptance rate and essentially cause your deactivation on Doordash? Well, no, not really. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be looking at acceptance rate, my acceptance rate in specific, and I'm going to be looking at how low it can go before there's threats of deactivation or your account gets affected in a negative way. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Before I get started though, if you like this type of content, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell, because I post videos very similar to this which help you earn much more on your side hustle apps like Doordash. So let's dive right in. So as I said, does acceptance rate matter essentially when it counts toward deactivation? And I don't think it counts that much. Acceptance rate is essentially the number of orders you accept. So Doordash puts out orders, it puts out good orders, it puts out bad orders, and if you decline the bad orders and accept the good orders, you have a lower acceptance rate than accepting all the orders. Let me compare it to grades for a second. So let's compare it to high school grades. Say you start the semester. When you get a bad grade at the start of the semester, your grade takes a really big hit because there's nothing else that's there to keep it balanced, if you will. If you get a 50% on your first assignment, your grade will automatically go to a 50. But later down the line, if you have a 80% and there's 10 different items that are keeping your grade at a 80%. If you get a 50%, your grade might fall to like a 75%, but it won't fall to a 50%. I hope that made sense. But yeah, that's what acceptance rate is. The more deliveries you do, the harder it is for your acceptance rate to be changed. Now, what is my acceptance rate? My acceptance rate is 34%. That is terrible. I mean, if I was in a school, the teacher probably would have kicked me out of her class by now. That's how terrible it is. And I haven't gotten deactivated. I haven't even received threats of deactivation. When I go on my Doordash, let me go ahead and search up Doordash acceptance rate, go to my ratings and check my acceptance rate, and my acceptance rate is 34%, which is really bad. It's like every 1 in 3 order requests I get, I decline. And the reason for that is I'm trying to maximize my earnings. And by declining all the bad orders, I could put my time and effort toward the good orders, the orders that pay a good amount, and thereby just earning the maximum amount I can in an hour. Now, having a bad acceptance rate really won't affect you that much. It hasn't affected me, and my acceptance rate is really bad. Now, having said this is my personal experience. I don't know how it affects other people, so I'm not saying go ahead and decline every order you see if you don't like it. I'm just saying it's not as big of a deal as you might have thought it was. But a completion rate is a big deal. If you accept deliveries and then you go ahead and cancel them and don't follow through, Doordash doesn't like that. So I'll try to make a video of that. I'm also thinking of making a part 2 of ways to maximize earnings on Doordash. If you want to see that, definitely hit that thumbs up button as well as the subscribe button. I'm sorry, I am super excited. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one, and until then, have an amazing day.